Welcome to our video tutorial about navigating the Trent University Academic Calendar. All the answers to questions you may have about degree and program requirements, as well as regulations and policies, are found in the academic calendar. It is important that you take the time to explore this document, as you are ultimately responsible for ensuring that you meet your degree requirements. Don't worry, academic advisors are here to help with any questions you might have, but you should download a copy and keep it somewhere that is easily accessible for quick reference. To access the academic calendar, you will begin on the Trent University homepage. Click on the menu in the top right, then Academics, then you'll click on Academic Calendar. Next, click on Undergraduate Calendar in the center of the page, and then click on the most recent edition at the top of the page. At the time of this video, the most recent version is the May edition of the 2021-22 academic calendar. Clicking on the link will open a PDF of the current academic calendar. We will be reviewing a few key sections of the academic calendar in this video. However, there is much more available to be explored on your own. I will begin on the table of contents by finding the first key section I would like to outline. By clicking on the page number on the right-hand side, you will be brought directly to your desired page. We are going to begin on the first page. As you can see, by clicking on the page number, I am brought directly to my desired page. On page 1 of the calendar, you will find a brief introduction to Trent University. Next, I would like to highlight the important dates section, which is found on page 9. This section of the calendar is where you will find important dates that you need to be aware of for the upcoming academic year. For example, dates are listed for reading weeks, fee deadlines, adding and dropping courses, and statutory holidays for the summer, fall, and winter semesters. It is important to familiarize yourself with these dates and know where to find them should you forget. Another important section of the academic calendar is degree requirements. Students must satisfy both university degree requirements as well as program requirements. Some examples of university requirements are a maximum of 7 credits at the 1,000 level, a minimum number of 3,000 or 4,000 level credits, and 0.5 INDG credits from the approved Indigenous course list. You will spend most of your time exploring your academic program section. I have selected Sociology and would like to find the program requirements and course options. The first page introduces the discipline and the faculty members, as well as some notes to consider and review. We can also view the credits required to graduate with certain degrees. For example, to graduate with a single major honors degree in sociology, 10 of the 20 credits you take need to consist of these courses. Scrolling further through this section, you will find specializations and a list of all sociology course titles and descriptions, including the prerequisites for each course. Please note that not all of these courses may be offered every year, and it is important to consult the academic timetable to confirm which courses are offered each year and when they will be scheduled. Reviewing your academic program in the academic calendar is an essential step in the course registration process. For more information for degree and program-related questions, you can visit the Trent Academic Advising website and watch our tutorials on course registration. The Academic Status section is where you can find information pertaining to academic standing. There are 5 categories of academic standing that you will be assessed for at the end of each academic session based on your cumulative and/or session average. These standings include good standing, probation, conditional probation, academic suspension, and suspension academic dishonesty. There is a subsection called academic distinctions where you can find some more information pertaining to academic standing. Of particular interest are both the Dean's Honor Roll and President's Honor Roll sections. You can also find the section on academic integrity in the calendar. As stated in the calendar, academic integrity is defined by the basic principles of honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. It is expected that these values will be upheld by all members of the university community. Under this section, you can find more information on academic dishonesty, plagiarism, cheating, penalties, and much more. It is extremely important that you understand the information contained in this section. A section on fees is also available in the academic calendar. This is where you can find the information you will need to know about your fees while at Trent. This includes things like student financial responsibilities, payment methods, late payments, and ancillary fees. It is important to review this section to ensure you are aware of which fees you need to pay and how you can pay them. Please note that fee deadlines can be found in the Important Dates section discussed earlier in this video. Information about financial aid can be found through the table of contents. Some key information to pay attention to in this section are the subsections concerning scholarships and bursaries. Trent offers many scholarships and bursaries, so we encourage you to check them out. Lastly, I would like to highlight the Special Programs and Opportunities section of the calendar. Here is where you will find details on our programs that are offered in conjunction with Swansea University in the UK, the Journalism and Creative Writing program offered at the Durham GTA campus, along with various add-ons to your degree like specializations and options. In addition, Trent offers many postgraduate certificates which can be explored within the Special Programs and Opportunities section of the calendar. This concludes our video about navigating the academic calendar. Please take the time to review this important document and feel free to bring any questions to an academic advisor for clarification. Make sure to visit trentu.ca/advising for more information and watch our additional video tutorials on the academic timetable, navigating your MyTrent portal, booking an academic advising appointment, and walking you through the course registration process.